Lemongrass can be traced back to ancient Greek and Roman times. Some scholars are even producing research that points to this lemony-scented plant as calamus oil used in the Bible. In the early 17th century, records show that lemongrass was being distilled in the Philippines and shipped to other countries for use in perfumes. For many Asian cultures, lemongrass is consumed in many recipes, and in India, it is highly cherished as an oil. In Chinese traditional medicine, this plant is noted to warm the interior and/or expel cold from the body. This is a relation to yin and yang, system of inner balance. Besides medicinal qualities, this herb is used in soaps, shampoos, and essential oils to aid in relaxation. Its aroma is lemony, and the flavor is lemon citrus. Lemongrass is native to India, Sri Lanka, Burma, and Thailand. Hi, my name is Doretha, and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for the September spice of the month, which is lemongrass tea. The recipe for today was taken from a book that you can check out here at the library, and it's Healing Spices by Bharhat Agarwal. Several of our recipes have been taken from this same book. The ingredients for the lemongrass tea are very simple. You'll do 1 teaspoon of lemongrass, 1 cup of boiling water, and then sugar or honey to taste. So first we're going to bring the water to a boil in a small pot, and if you'd rather do it in a microwave, that's fine as well, but we don't have one available here, so we're going to use the pot instead. We want to bring the water to a boil. This is really a simple recipe, so we'll just wait on that. All right, so we're going to add the teaspoon of lemongrass. If you want it stronger, you can always add more, but I'll add that to the teapot, and now we've got the water going to a rolling boil, and I'm going to pour that directly over the tea. And then we'll just let this steep for about 10 minutes so that it'll strengthen. All right, so our tea is steeped, and I'm going to pour that through a strainer into the cup. Strain out the lemongrass as it comes through. There we go. Oh, it smells really good. And then you can add sugar, honey, whatever you would like to your tea. I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. I normally don't add any. Give it a stir. Ready to drink? It's good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to look for more from the Swanee River Regional Library in the future.